honest nigga living and I'm still alive. Fake niggas wanna kill me cause I'm still around. Young boy caught on fire, try to put me out. Never taught that reckless shit, so fuck what y'all be talking about. On the real though, I ain't even like discussing money around face, motherfucker, with discussion. Niggas be disgusting, giving bitches kisses when they give me head. Y'all dirty niggas haven't learned nothing and it's sad though. Give these bitches be cuffed, telling me I'm the man, but they got a man, she a funky hoe. Never act like someone else, cause I find myself speaking creativity. Yeah, I think I find my wealth. Money plus the bitches, what's subtract the bitches? Turn the vision on the money, yeah, I'm focused on the riches. Never lying, so your niggas better listen. When I say I'ma bring it, best believe I'm coming with it. Money ain't an issue, smoking on the loud, never turn it down, don't let him get you. Money ain't an issue, smoking on the loud, never turn them down, don't let them get you. Money ain't an issue, smoking on the loud, never turn them down, don't let them